2022 Chevy Silverado Z71 RST 5.3 liter V8. Really beautiful truck. What we got done on it? Something sexy we haven't done before. We did true duals. There's the stock converter there and there. And these new ones don't come with a third converter, which is awesome. So we crossed it over there. And then he brought his own X pipe. We put it in. And then we ran 2 1/4 in the middle. Then he brought his own BORLAs, part number 400945. BORLA ATAKs. A set of 2 right there. We've installed it for him. Then we run 2 1/4 tailpipes, custom bent all the way out the back. And then took his factory tips off, and he brought his own set of 4-inch black tips, double walled, that we put on for him too, just to complete the look. As you guys can see, did you guys drive from Mississippi? And they drove from Mississippi, so we really appreciate it. As you guys can see, there it is. There's all the old stuff that was on it that we cut off and made it look beautiful for him. A lot cleaner, a lot nicer. We'll let you guys hear it in a second. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe, and come on down when you want some exhaust work. They drove from Mississippi, so you can drive from anywhere. We're gonna record his reaction when we first started. What do you think?
Love it. Love it.
Yes. Go ahead. Man, that BORLA is distinct. It's such a different sound. Wow, it sounds like an 18. Again? What's crazy, it's still under 100. Wow. Yeah, once it breaks in a little bit more. And it's not under any load either, you know? Go ahead and back it out. That's what I got on my Ram, is BORLA. That sounds amazing. Z71. We'll let you guys hear on the inside. That's a fat looking Chevy right there. That's sexy. Happy anniversary. And it's their anniversary, so happy anniversary. I don't know. Anniversary present.